I got you guys. This is a step-by-step guide on how to buy the Davido meme coin using Solana. And if you get value out of this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe if possible. So the first step you need is that you need a PHAMTOM wallet. You go to your Play Store or your App Store to actually download a PHAMTOM wallet. After downloading it, you have to create your wallet and make sure the seed phrase that has been generated from this wallet, so make sure you keep it very safe. It's like your BVN. So after you finish creating it, you are going to be seeing a zero balance in the wallet because you have not actually fund the account. So I'm going to be walking you through the second step on how to fund this wallet. So the second step is how you can actually fund the wallet with Solana, because you are going to be swapping Solana for Davido Memecoin. So what you are going to be doing now is you want to go to any exchange, whether it's BYBIT or Gate.io, but basically in this video I actually use BYBIT and also Gate.io, so you can actually see how to do that. But for quick sign up, you can actually use the link down in the video description, so you can actually even get welcome bonuses which you can actually utilize to actually buy more Davido coin. What you want to do now is you want to buy USDT, which is the cryptocurrency that we use to swap any crypto form. But for you have your Naira in your bank account, so you need to change the Naira into USDT so you can be able to buy Solana, which we need to swap the Davido coin. Basically, I'm not going to be covering how to buy the USDT, which I've already made video about this extensively. You can check that on my channel on how to buy your USDT. So after buying your USDT, so what you want to do now is you want to convert the USDT into Solana, which I'm going to be walking you through as you see in this step. So after you virtually swap your USDT into Solana, it's now time for us to transfer the Solana into our PHAMTOM wallet, where we can actually use it to swap the Davido coin. So what you want to do now is to go back to the PHAMTOM wallet. So you want to see an icon that says receive. So you want to click on this receive on that PHAMTOM wallet to be able to generate the Solana contract address that can receive Solana into this PHAMTOM wallet. So I'm going to be doing that right now. Then after copying it, so I'm going to be going back to the BYBIT exchange and I'm going to be going to withdraw, and I'm going to be clicking on withdraw and I'm going to be selecting Solana, which I have. So I'm going to be selecting the Solana. After selecting the Solana, you want to paste the wallet address which you copy from the PHAMTOM wallet into this box, as you can see as I'm doing. Then you can specify the amount of Solana we want to move from the exchange into your decentralized wallet, which is PHAMTOM. So after you specify that, you're going to click on confirm or withdraw, and this one is going to be deposited into your PHAMTOM wallet, where you can use it to actually buy the Davido meme coin. So for those that are using Gate.io or KuCoin, it's basically the same thing that you are going to be doing on how to withdraw the Solana into your PHAMTOM wallet. So now the Solana has arrived into the PHAMTOM wallet. It's now time for us to use this Solana to actually buy the Davido meme coin. So step 3 is to open the PHAMTOM wallet again, and you want to go to browser and make sure you choose the Redone, which is a decentralized exchange that allow you to actually buy any meme coin or cryptocurrency that has been minted on Solana chain. So after that has opened inside the PHAMTOM, you want to connect your wallet. So after connecting your wallet, you want to find the original contract address for the Davido meme coin. Don't go and copy the wrong one. So I found it very useful for you. So go to my Twitter account, as you can see as I'm doing, and you're going to be going down to one of my posts which I post the original Davido contract address. So copy this and come back to this page and paste it there. It's going to be automatically detect it and give you the original Davido meme coin. So you want to click on it and add to your wallet, and after that it's going to appear red. So you want to specify how much Solana you want to use to swap this Davido coin. So you can click maximum 50%, or you can actually type it manually. So after you are okay with that, you're going to click on swap. It's going to be automatic swap the Solana into Davido meme coin, and automatic is going to be showing in your wallet with the amount that you actually get. So for those of you guys that even want more easy way to actually buy this coin without going through any centralized exchange, I've actually made a video about how to use the bump bot to actually buy the Davido meme coin, which is very easy. Just click and it's automatic buy. So make sure you like, retweet for others to actually see this video, and as well subscribe if possible. So and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.